Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the auto-commenting feature inside ConnectSafely.AI and customize it completely using your own persona. So as you can see on my screen, this is the auto-commenting feature of ConnectSafely.AI. This allows you to automatically engage with posts on LinkedIn, but in a way that still feels personal and authentic. And the most powerful part here is you can customize your entire commenting style by creating your own persona. Now let me show you how to create one. We'll click on create new style here, and this is where we can start building our own persona from scratch. Now, instead of using a generic setup, I have actually created my own persona based on my role. I have also prepared a structured document where I have clearly defined each section of my persona so I can directly use it while setting things up here. So I'll walk you through how you can do the same. Let's start with persona name. I'll copy this from my document, growth oriented dealmaker, get back to my tool and simply paste it here. This reflects my role as someone focused on building relationships and driving growth through conversations. Now moving to background and experience. I'll copy this section from my document, get back to my tool and simply paste it here. This defines who I am, a business development associate focused on outreach, connections, and communicating value. This helps the AI understand my perspective before generating any comments. Next is writing style. I'll copy this from my document, get back to my tool, and simply paste it here. So as you can see, my style is conversational and persuasive. The goal is to sound natural, not salesy, like a real conversation with the audience. This helps in building trust and increasing engagement. For tone, I'll select professional. This keeps the communication clean and credible, while still allowing flexibility in style. Next is comment length. I'll select short because short comments perform better and are more likely to get responses. Now coming to advanced settings. I'll copy this entire section from my document and paste it inside the tool. So let's just copy it, get back to my tool and simply paste it here. As you can see, I have defined clear rules. Maximum 3 sentences, simple and direct language, no overselling. This ensures the AI generates comments that feel human and relatable. I have also added an engagement logic, so comments start with a relatable insight, then add value, and finally create curiosity. This helps in starting conversations naturally. We can also control when to mention ConnectSafely.AI. So it's only mentioned when relevant and not forced into every comment. Now coming to tool settings. I have kept emojis turned on. Now I'll turn it on because a slight human touch improves engagement and hashtags are turned off to keep the comments clean and conversational. Now let's test this. I have a sample LinkedIn post URL. I'm simply gonna copy it from here, get back to my tool, paste it here, and click on generate test comment and wait for a few seconds for the results. And as you can see on my screen, the output feels natural, relevant, and aligned with my style. So this is how you can create your own persona and completely customize your commenting style inside ConnectSafely.ai. This helps you scale your engagement without losing your personal voice. So try it out and start building meaningful conversations at scale. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you in another video.